Abstract. So starting with methods, results, introduction, and discussion, now is the time to write the abstract. So here are the tips to write good abstract. Abstract is the second most important part of the manuscript after title. First, let's look at the sections of the abstract, then we will discuss why it is most important. It has 5 sections. First, introduction and background. Write few words about your project and then continue with aim or objective of the study. Write methods, results, conclusion, and keywords. Now, most of the time, the editor-in-chief will read the abstract and decide its fate, whether to further evaluate it or reject it. The researchers who is doing research, similar research, has downloaded your article. He will just read the abstract first to decide whether or not to read the whole paper and to cite it or not. Then it is published by abstracting agencies such as Medline, so it has to be perfect. Then don't forget the abstract is not an introduction to your paper. It is a brief summary of the main IMRAD section of the paper. It should be brief description of the whole paper so that diagonal readers understand it without reading the other parts of the manuscript. Now here are the tips to write good abstract. Main points are: write the abstract after you are done writing your paper. Choose main points from your introduction. Pick out key points from the method section. Pick out major findings from the results section. Add a sentence or two as a conclusion. Make a paragraph of all points in step 1 to 5, meaning it should have a flow. Then don't add any new information or undefined abbreviations. Do not add any references in the abstract. Link your sentences so that the information flows clearly. Check if points presented in your paper and abstract are consistent. Check if your abstract meet journal format. Ask your colleague to review your abstract as well as your rest of the manuscript. It is a good thing, to get it reviewed from a third person, because there are chances of missing some important points, such as ethics report is missing or time and duration of the study is missing, which your colleague will point out. Now, things to be avoided in the abstract. Avoid the classical "in this paper" starting. Avoid references in the abstract. Avoid acronyms. If they must be used, their definitions should be repeated in the main text. Tense should be past or present. Now, at the end of it, I would like to elaborate why title and abstract are important, what purpose they serve. Now, purpose is that it will market your publication. It is a kind of an advertisement of your publication. So, summarize the project key points that will entice the reader to download the entire article. Then contain keywords for search engines that aid other researchers to locate your article. Now, the common mistakes: sometimes the title written by the authors is too broad, or it is too narrow or vague, or the reader cannot deduce what the study is actually about. Abstract is either too comprehensive that it dilutes the main takeaway by sharing everything. So be very concise and only write the novel finding. Now, the keywords, you must choose 3 to 5 keywords from MESH. These will decide whether your paper will be cited in the future or not. Select a number of words or terms from MESH, which is medical subject heading, that would express the precise content of the manuscript. Some of the keywords should be present in the title. Use same keywords that you use to find a paper similar to yours in the web browser. Thank you.